Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IHSS Timesheets. Submit your hours online step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to the official IHSS Electronic Services portal website. Check the address bar to confirm you are on the correct official site before entering any personal information. Locate the login button on the homepage and click or tap it. Enter your username in the first field exactly as you created it. Enter your password in the next field and make sure caps lock is not on. If you forgot your password, select the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. If you have not created an account yet, choose Register and complete the provider registration steps first. After entering your login details, click Sign in to access your account. If you are prompted for a security code, choose how you want to receive it and enter the code when it arrives. Once you are logged in, look for the Time Entry or Electronic Timesheets option on your dashboard. Select the pay period you want to report hours for from the list shown on the screen. Choose the correct recipient from your recipient list if you work for more than one person. Click into the timesheet for that pay period to open the daily entry page. Review the authorized weekly hours for the recipient so you do not exceed the allowed maximum. For each workday, enter the start time and end time or enter total hours, depending on the format shown. Double-check AM and PM selections to avoid accidental time errors. Use the Notes or Comments field only if the system requests it or your county requires it. Repeat the hour entry for every day you worked during that pay period. If you did not work on a day, leave that day blank or enter 0 if the portal requires it. Click Save after entering hours to make sure your information is stored correctly. Review the totals for the week and for the entire pay period to confirm they match your records. Look for any warning messages about overtime or maximum hours and correct entries if needed. When everything looks correct, select the Submit button for the timesheet. Read the attestation statement carefully and confirm that the hours are accurate and truthful. If the portal asks for an electronic signature, follow the instructions to complete it. After submission, check the status to make sure it shows submitted or waiting for recipient approval. If recipient approval is required, remind the recipient to log in and approve the timesheet promptly. Keep a screenshot or written note of your submission confirmation number or confirmation message for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.